This is Alard item Y1348, a Garb-el GHV-1000 garbage disposal. It's a 10 horsepower garbage disposal. As you can see, it's a Hammermill type of configuration with hammers working. I don't know, it's probably too dark to see the screen in there, but there's a perforated screen. The product goes into the cutting chamber and stays in there until the particle size is reduced to a size where it can drop through the screen. It is auger fed, and it is of course a powered auger. This is a 230 volt 3-phase machine, 10 horsepower. We're going to put a few things to it. Of course, it is specifically intended for disposing of food waste, rejected food items, culls, trims, that type of thing. So we're going to start it up and show you what it does. Don't do this at home, but before we start running, we're going to show the blades going round and round in there. You can see it's a fairly fearsome machine, as I say. Never run it with the guard open, an actual plant operation. That is strictly, we just left the door open so you could see that the wheels of the bus go round and round. So we're going to button it up and run some product through it now. All right, we're going to feed the machine some apples and see what happens. As you can see, just like your garbage disposal at home, uses a little water. There's a hose lead on the side. There go the apples. We've got a few heads of cabbage here to get rid of. Put those in, see what it does. Voila! Macerated cabbage and apples. There's the product coming out, all macerated. There you have it, Garb-el garbage disposal, model GHV-1000, 10 horsepower, in stock at Alard Equipment, in very good, excellent operational condition, ready to plug in and go to work and dispose of your waste.